أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In this short tutorial, I'm going to look into how to run a measurement model if you've got categorical variables in your model. Now, in this case, I've got categorical independent variable, a categorical moderator, a mediator that is measured on Likert scale with multiple items, a dependent variable that is also measured on Likert scale with multiple items. Now, we do not validate our categorical independent variables or mediators or moderators or control variables for that matter. So what kind of model are we going to design if we've got categorical variables? And how do we do that for our measurement model? Now, for measurement model, you do not need these variables. So I'm going to delete both of them and I'm just going to validate this model here. So I'm going to go to calculate, PLSSEM algorithm, path standardized default, press start. And I'm going to report my outer loadings, I'm going to report my reliability, and I'm going to report my validity. Now, when I'm running my structural model in order to assess the proposed hypothesis, I will have my independent and moderating variables or the control variables. So let's say if I run this model here with all these categorical variables, I'm getting other results as well, which I do not need here. So what I need to do is, let's say, let me copy this and let me show you one more thing. Excel. Let's go back. Let's remove this. And let's run it. Auto loadings, copy, and let's paste the results. And let's look at the results as well. Now there is ever so slight change in some of the loadings as well. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So what I'll do is, when I'm running a model that has categorical variables and whose relationship I'm interested in assessing, when I'm running the measurement model, I won't have them in my model and I will run my model without those other variables. Thank you very much.